Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream by Powder Easy Guide. Measure 1 cup powdered whipping mix, 1/4 cup powdered milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 3/4 cup cold water. Then whisk until soft peaks form. Chill for 15 minutes to firm and stabilize. Serve immediately and store leftovers in a container in the fridge for up to 48 hours. Start with quality powdered whipping mix and cold water for best texture. Measure carefully to maintain the correct ratio and avoid runny cream. Chill your bowl and whisk for faster whipping and firmer peaks. Add sugar gradually and taste as you go to prevent oversweetening. Fold in vanilla or cocoa gently after whipping. Keep finished cream cold and use within 2 days for best flavor. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing upbeat playlists while you whisk powdered cream. It fills the kitchen with clear sound and fits easily on a countertop, making prep more fun. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cold tools and patience are your best friends when whipping powdered cream. Start slow to wet the powders, then build speed to incorporate air without splattering. Watch for soft peaks first, which will become firmer within seconds on high speed. If you overwhip and it looks grainy, fold in a tablespoon of cold water or a splash of heavy cream to regain smoothness. Timing varies by mixer power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.